Now Markovnikov's rule. Now this rule states that when there is addition of an unsymmetrical reagent or unsymmetric reagent, that is hydrogen halide HX, occurs to an unsymmetrical alkene, then the negative part of the reagent gets attached to that double bonded carbon which possesses lesser number of hydrogen atom, and this reaction occurs in absence of peroxide. See here, this is an unsymmetrical alkene, that is propene 1 2 3 prop 1 ENE. Okay, 1, this is 1 2 3. When it is treated with, if in X halogen, if you will take Br, that is your hydrogen bromide, then what happens, if this one is your unsymmetric reagent, then when it is added to an unsymmetrical alkene, then the negative part of the addendum or the negative part of the reagent, that is Br minus, will go to that carbon atom in the carbon-carbon double bond which contains lesser number of hydrogen. Here in carbon 1 the 2 hydrogens are attached, but in carbon 2 there is 1 hydrogen attached. That means the lesser number of hydrogen is present in carbon number 2. So the Br minus will attach to carbon number 2 and the double bond breaks and the hydrogen will attach to CH2. So the product will be CH3 single bond CH Br CH, that is 2, that is your 1 2 3, that is 2 bromopropane, and that is the major product. This follows Markovnikov's rule. And the what is the minor rule? And the H plus is attached to the lesser number of hydrogen atom, then this will be the minor product. That is your 1 bromopropane will be obtained. Mixture of product will be formed. But major product is this higher percentage of product formed is 2 bromopropane. And this reaction occurs in absence of peroxide. Okay. Now, what is anti-Markovnikov's rule? Anti-Markovnikov's rule is otherwise known as Kharas effect or peroxide effect. Now, this rule states that when there is addition of unsymmetric reagent occurs to an unsymmetrical alkene, then the negative part of the reagent gets attached to the double bonded carbon which possesses a larger number of hydrogen atom, just opposite of Markovnikov's rule. And this reaction occurs in presence of organic peroxide. वहाँ पे absence था. So here see here, when H delta plus Br delta minus added to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part will go to that carbon atom around the carbon-carbon double bond which contains larger number of hydrogen atom. That means this will go to this carbon atom and H will go to this carbon. So the compound will be CH3 CH2 CH2Br. This will be the major product in anti-Markovnikov's rule. That is your 1 bromopropane is the major product in anti-Markovnikov's rule, and this reaction occurs in presence of organic peroxide ROOR, and here also the mixture of product is formed. Minor product is your 2 bromopropane, that is your minor product. जो Markovnikov's rule में major है, anti-Markovnikov's में वो minor है, वहाँ पे जो minor है यहाँ पे वो major है. Okay, thank you.